Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to Linguistics and Literature. In today's video we are going to discuss about discourse. You know that discourse is a term from linguistic. It is very important term. We need to understand the discourse, what the discourse is and how can we understand the discourse. After completing this topic, we will come to know about what the discourse is. So we will start. Before starting the lecture, you people have to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so you could receive the new videos, the old videos as well as. So we are starting now. Discourse. Discourse refers to language used beyond isolated sentences. So this sentence tells us that discourse is not actually the surface level of sentences. It is beyond the isolated sentences or surface level sentences. In the discourse, for example, in a conversation, the two speakers talk about something and that is understood for them. This is not the surface level. It is somehow the deep level sentences they will use because they already know about what they are going to talk about, what are they talking, and how will they understand. They already know about that. So this is what our discourse. It is the study of how language is used in real life situation to convey meaning and they connect ideas. Means the ideas are connected because they already know about the situation, about the topic, and what they are talking about. They already know. That is what our discourse. Particularly in larger units like conversation, stories, essays, or speeches. Discourse analysis, a branch within linguistics, examines how these elements fit together to form coherent, meaningful communication. Okay, this is simple definition of discourse. Now we are having example. Imagine two people having a conversation. Person A means you can take a name or this is person A. Did you watch the game last night? A question someone asks. Second person, yeah, it was amazing. I can't believe how it ended. Now, when the first person asks the question, second person should ask what type of game, where did you watch, and second person didn't ask that because the second person already know the situation. They have understanding about the game. They know about the situation. That's why the second person gave direct answer. This is what actually discourse. This conversation is simple example of spoken discourse where the context and shared understanding allow for meaningful communication. Even though person B doesn't specify what game they are referring to, both speakers understand due to the shared context. Discourse can also take written forms like a persuasive essay that develops an argument across multiple paragraphs using cohesive devices like therefore, however, etc. To link ideas and structure the overall message. This is called discourse. So this is actually the discourse analysis and this is the shared context. So I hope that this topic you people have understood. So thank you so much for watching. Allah Hafiz.